Hello and welcome to this Astranti YouTube video taking a look at the average legal executive's salary. This is part of our video series on becoming a legal executive. Now, of course, people don't just become legal executives, become solicitors or whatever their chosen profession is just because they want to earn money. There is other reasons for it, a calling, or they want to help people, etc. If you want to be a legal executive specializing in family and employment law, you want to help others. But of course, ultimately, you have to be compensated for the work, for the effort, for the training that goes into becoming a legal executive. Money makes the world go round, and everyone needs to earn a decent living in order to pay for food, mortgages, cars, whatever it may be. But the good news for you, if you're watching this and thinking about potentially becoming a legal executive, is that the salary of a legal executive is significantly higher than the average in the UK. Now, of course, the amount that you earn may depend on the specific level of experience that you have, your specific chosen pathway, whether you've gone for contract law, for criminal law, family law, employment law, whatever it may be, and also locations. A classic example is that generally people working in London will expect to earn more than people working in other parts of the country because, of course, the cost of living is far higher in London than it is in other parts of the country. So what can you, as a legal executive, expect to earn when you're qualifying, once you're qualified, and once you are experienced? Well, that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. So the first thing is to look at CILEX students. So this is when you have just started your qualifications, where you are perhaps just out of university or out of school and you've just started an entry-level legal position in a firm or in a legal department in an organization, and you've just started your CILEX qualification. You're probably at the lower end of it, the foundation level of it. You can expect to earn between £18,000 and £28,000 per year. 18,000 if you're very new, you've just started, you're in the foundation level, more towards that 28,000 once you're on the more advanced and professional levels of the qualification. But do remember that you will be earning this because you'll be working in the legal field. So you'll be gaining valuable legal experience, which is going to help formally qualify you and also to help you when you market yourself to future employers that you've already got these years of experience. Now, once you've qualified, so you've passed all three levels of your qualification, or you've passed the CILEX lawyer apprenticeship, endpoint assessments, if that's your chosen pathway as well, and you've got the practical experience now in order to apply for membership and qualify with CILEX, you can expect to earn an average of £38,000 per year. And this is newly qualified. This is when you've just qualified. You've finished your exams, you've finished your qualification, you've applied and received your membership of CILEX, you're now qualified, you can expect to earn an average of £38,000 per year. Now, given that the average UK salary is less than £30,000, to be earning £38,000 newly qualified, which particularly if you started CILEX, say straight out of school, you could be qualified by 21, 22, 23 years old. That is a very decent salary. And when you are experienced, when you've got several years of experience in a specific field of law, you can expect to earn an average of £55,000 per year. So way above the average UK salary, almost twice the UK average salary. What's also really useful to be aware of is that now that chartered legal executives can hold the same rights of audience as solicitors, they can also become partners in law firms. Partners are essentially owners/workers within a law firm. Law firms, accountancy firms work a bit differently to a public limited company in the way that the senior staff essentially become partners, part owners of the organization. And partners within law firms earn on average £125,000 per year. And particularly at some of the larger law firms, the Magic Circle and Silver Circle firms within London, that can be over £500,000 per year. So a lot of earning potential for legal executives. And how does this compare to a solicitor? Well, as you might expect, in the past, a solicitor would expect to earn a lot more than a legal executive, because legal executives were often essentially assistants of solicitors. But of course now the legal executives are in more demand, they have more power, they have more contribution, they have the rights of audience, etc. As such, and as that respect, as that scope of professions increase, legal executive salaries have increased dramatically, and the difference between the two is far smaller. So we've already mentioned that an experienced legal executive could expect to earn on average of £55,000 per year. Now, an experienced solicitor can expect to earn on average £62,000 per year. So admittedly that is still a difference, it's a £7,000 a year difference, but given the cost and the time of qualifying as a solicitor, that difference becomes a lot less noticeable, given that it may cost you 4 times as much to qualify as a solicitor as it does to qualify as a legal executive, and it will take you longer to qualify and often require you to have gone to university, to have taken on student debt, etc. Suddenly that difference doesn't become as noticeable, and it's certainly a lot closer than it was in the past, where legal executives would expect to earn a lot less than solicitors would. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you can expect to earn as a legal executive. If you do want more information on becoming a legal executive and guidance on how you might qualify, what sorts of qualifications you need to undertake, please give us a message. And you can find us on our website, www.astranti.com, and also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have an Instagram and a Facebook account as well. So thank you for watching. Do let us know if you have any other questions, and please stay tuned as we will be publishing more videos about becoming a legal executive and the process of becoming a legal executive and the qualifications you need to earn. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.